Operators, get ready. This battle ain't gonna be easy. In Havoc Warfare, you will enter a war-torn battlefield, playing as attackers or defenders. Cooperate with squad mates and utilize land, sea, and air vehicles as you fight for strategic objectives across the map. In a game of attack and defend, a total of 64 operators will enter the battlefield, divided into attacking and defending factions. As the attackers, you need to break through enemy defenses and capture all strategic objectives to successfully secure the sector. Capture all enemy sectors to secure victory. As the defenders, you need to repel enemy attacks, hold your sectors, and defend strategic objectives. If the enemy's attacking forces are exhausted and they haven't captured all sectors, you get the win. Before entering the battlefield, make sure to prepare in advance. This is where you can choose your operator. All weapons and attachments can be unlocked by gaining XP from completing matches. Prepare your loadout in advance so that you are fully equipped and ready to adapt on the battlefield. Each operator has unique traits, gadgets, and weapons. Assault operators have stronger combat abilities and move faster while aiming down sights. Support operators are ready to provide backup and keep the team in the fight. Engineer operators can repair vehicles and aircraft, and recon operators are experts in intelligence warfare, using their recon stations to gather combat information. Upon entering the battlefield, each operator will join a 4-person squad. Attackers advance to the nearest enemy-controlled sector and launch the assault. Defenders will deploy directly at the first objective and will need to quickly set up defenses. The objectives will be shown on the mini-map. Boundaries are also visible on the HUD. If the incoming attackers have a numerical advantage, they will begin to capture the objective. The defending team will first lose their control of the objective before the attackers can start to claim it, increasing their control until the objective is captured. When all objectives in the sector are controlled, the sector is successfully captured. The next sector will not immediately open, giving defenders some time to regroup. If you are downed and cannot be revived, hold spacebar to give up and redeploy. Select a controlled strategic objective on the map. Deploying nearby is safest, but you will also end up being further from the front lines. Or, if a squad mate is not in combat and there is space near them, deploying around them will allow you to quickly return to the front line. Deploying directly into a vehicle heading to the front line is also a good option. Brave recon operators can also place a respawn beacon just outside an enemy objective, allowing you to sprint directly to the objective after deploying. Of course, operators can also use the escape key to redeploy, quickly changing their operators and gear in order to adapt to the situation on the ground. While redeployment is convenient, attackers must keep an eye on their remaining reinforcements, which starts at 300. If an operator is downed but rescued by a teammate, reinforcements are not used. But those who are downed and give up will consume reinforcements. After capturing a sector, you'll receive a boost to reinforcements. Once all reinforcements have been exhausted, the attackers are defeated. So, an effective assault strategy is crucial. Vehicles are key to avoid consuming reinforcements. For example, the high mobility of ATVs and ORVs allows for rapid infiltration, while the tank offers devastating firepower. Coordinate with squad mates to quickly break through defenses and suppress the opponent's counterattack. Assault vehicles can smash through blockades, allowing troops to deploy near objectives and reducing the loss of reinforcements. Attack helicopters can strike quickly and cover large distances. Defenders don't need to worry about reinforcements. Instead, they can focus on utilizing all defensive assets at their disposal to withstand the enemy's attack. Even when all hope seems lost, there is always a chance for a comeback. Use military-ranked scores earned in combat to call in guided missiles to eliminate enemy forces in the area and regain the upper hand. Upgrade your loadout. Deploy tactical offense and defense to dominate on the battlefield. Grab your weapon, operator, and prepare for Havoc Warfare.